Hello, beautiful people. It is your favorite blogger, Miss Trish, once again here with another episode of Coffee Chronicles. Of course, not with a coffee cup. I had to showcase one of my favorite cups today. I'm definitely going to tag the amazing person who made this cup for me a couple of years ago. But yes, I want you to grab your favorite coffee cups. This month it's over. It's November, but tomorrow is December. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually talk about some holiday stuff, like the whole month of December, guys. That's what I'm going to be touching, holiday content. So grab your favorite coffee cups and let's go. So I hope that everybody is doing good. Before I dive into the topic of the day, I hope that you guys enjoy the rain if you're in Montreal. If you're in Toronto, I believe it's raining too. If you're everywhere else, I don't know what your weather is like, but what I can say is a testament is in Edmonton, Alberta, where my brother lives, it is minus 32 degrees. And we here in Montreal, we are lucky because it's 5 degrees with rain. I'll take that over anything. One of the biggest parts of the holidays, as we already know, is food. Of course, food and drink, right? So this video came about with me. I'm like, okay, I know I'm not cooking for Christmas this year, but there are a few other gatherings that I may be cooking for, right? But I want to do something different. I'm always the cook in my house. I'm always cooking a big meal. I make absolutely everything. So everything that I've been invited to where I have to bring something, I now want to bring the desserts. So upon me researching, what can I do different to bring some desserts? And guys, this is what this video is about. Desserts that I found that I'm like, oh no, we don't need to mix. Why is this? Oh my goodness, so many questions. So here are 16 crazy desserts. I'm going to go through them as fast as possible. 16 crazy desserts that I found for the holidays that I'm just like, I'm not going to be bringing these, but I'm just saying, listen to this. Beautiful people, are you ready? I just want to make it clear that these are actually all ice creams. Different flavored ice creams, because that's what I really look for. Because I'm like, what other dessert is there? Yeah, there's brownies and this and that and blah, blah, blah. But with like the brownies and the cakes and stuff like that, ice cream's a good add-on. So I was thinking of bringing a different ice cream. But anyways, there's a few here. Let me run through them. So the first one, let's go, folks. I'm going to try to put as much pictures as possible so that you can see what I'm talking about. First one is Kraft macaroni and cheese ice cream. I'm not sure. Okay. Number 2, Cheetos Flamin' Hot ice cream. Why? Why do we need to mix chips and dairy? I don't understand. Number 3, oh my goodness, my stomach just caboodled. Anyways, extra virgin olive oil ice cream. Next one is sweet avocado cayenne from Rocco Creamery. You see, the thing is with avocado, I actually like avocado, but like with a cayenne pepper, I'm not sure. I know some people would actually try some of these because you guys are super adventurous and I love that and that's great. For me personally, my stomach is really sensitive, so I don't think I'll be trying most of these, but an avocado ice cream, I can't say I wouldn't try. The next one is a pink lemonade Pop Rocks. Maybe. That's not too bad, right? Next one is Thanksgiving dinner ice cream. So that means you got your turkey and your yams and your macaroni pie or mac and cheese, whatever you call it, and your green beans, potato, and whatever, all in one ice cream. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about all of those. I don't think I'll be trying that. It's so weird to me that I change accents. Okay, next one is goat cheese. Oh my God. Goat cheese with red cherries. Guys, I don't think so. The next one is, oh no, I got fooled. Vanilla with sweet sriracha sauce. Oh, why? Okay, why? Okay, next is gold nugget ice cream. Maybe. Next is strawberry. You see, when I hear the fruit, I'm like, yes. But when I hear what it's mixed with, I'm like, no. Strawberry balsamic ice cream. Next one is Granny's sweet potato casserole. See, I like sweet potatoes, so I'm not saying I wouldn't try it. I'd probably take, like, you know, when they give you the little testers and stuff like that, I'd probably like test it out. That's what I would probably definitely do. The next one is, this is a no for me because, anyway, let me read it first. Ghost pepper ice cream. No, excuse me. Ghost pepper peppermint. How much pepper do you guys want in an ice cream? What? No, this is a no. Ghost pepper? Anyway, let me not go on. Next one is, no. Oh, Jesus. Dill pickle. Really? Why Why can't we just leave the pickles and them alone? Oh God. Okay, next is Idaho potatoes ice cream. I don't know what Idaho potato tastes like versus a real potato. I don't know. Anybody from Idaho want to tell me what the difference is? Because there's an ice cream flavor to it. Is it that good that they need to change it into an ice cream? I don't know. Next one is no, guys. Come on. Next one is lobster ice cream. You know, we're getting extreme. We're getting extreme. Lobster ice cream? I don't think so, guys. Come on. Come on. Let's keep the lobster where it is, the ice cream where it's at. Jeez Louise. And the last one, because that was Mr. 15 out of 16, is curry flavored ice cream. Now, you guys know, I am Trinidadian. I love my curry everything. But curried ice cream is blasphemy. It's a sin. And it's not right. I am not trying it. So I refuse. So those are the 16 ice creams. Would you guys try any of them? If yes, tell me which ones. That was so fun to read. But at the same time, my stomach was like, oh my goodness, what is going on? Anyways, folks, the holidays are coming up upon us. Tomorrow is December 1st. I just want to remind everybody to be kind because not everybody celebrates the holidays for their own reasons. But always spread love, be nice, be cool, respect everybody. And yeah, you'll have a great time. I wish everybody the absolute best. I want to thank you for watching this episode of Coffee Chronicles. Oh, before I go, I feel like I'm signing off. Wait. Visit my website, guys, www.allthingsmisstrish.com. There are journals on there. There are post-it notes on there. There's stationery on there now for the boss babe in your life. It's called the Louder Collection by Miss Trish. Oh, yes. Get it. Those are great Christmas gifts. And the delivery time, I got you. Don't worry. Got these earrings too going on. I'm going to post them as soon as possible. But guys, definitely check out my website. Shop local. If it's not from me, definitely shop from somebody else. You know what I mean? That's local because you are supporting a small business and we appreciate you so much. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe. Mistress TV. You can also watch me on TikTok. Watch my latest TikTok video. I'm on one of those 360s. One of those things that I really love those. I've always wanted to do one, so I got a chance to do it. But follow me on TikTok. It's always fun content over there. Mistress TV as well. And on Instagram, I am all things Miss Trish. I love you guys. I will see you guys all of December. There will be so much more holiday content. Take care. Take care of yourselves. Mwah, much love, and see you guys soon. Thank you so much again for watching.